Welcome to another Matthumanpizza video. In this video, we're in a RAV4. So here's where the gas latch is, right here. You pull up on it like that, and that will open up this right here, your little door to your gas can. And what you want to do, you want to push because it'll close it. Go like that, and then there you have access to your gas. Click it and open it and close it. So that's how you do that. This is a Toyota RAV4. That's how you access that. It's right here, right there. Just pull up on it, and that's how you open that door. That's how you open the door to your gas your gas place where you put your gas in the gas hole. What are you, a gas hole? Are you some kind of gas hole? And anyway, this is a Matthumanpizza video. It's a Toyota RAV4, and that's how you do it, folks. That's where you find it, and that's how you do it. So you flip up on that. It's right down here. It's right down there. If it'll focus, right there. Oh, it's getting blurry. There it is. Right there. Hello, my friend. Hello. And you pull up on it. And when you're pumping, you're going to want to stay outside. You don't want to come in and out of your vehicle because static electricity will build up. And then you'll touch the gas and it'll go spark, fuel. Anyway, so it's right down here, right here. That's the little lever. How to find your lever for your gas door. Yeah, on your RAV4, on your Toyota RAV4. There you go. How to find. Peekaboo, peekaboo, peekaboo. Like if you do this with a cat. The cat goes crazy and it'll go after your fingers. Peekaboo. Oh, it's out of focus. There we go. It's in focus now. This is how you're watching a Matthumanpizza video on a Toyota. You got the circle and another circle and then a third circle. 3, 2, 1. Isn't that something? Oh. 4 circles. Oh, 5 circles. 6 circles. 7 circles. 8, 9. There's circles everywhere. Oh, 10 circles. 11. There's all kind of circles. A bunch of little circles. You see that in the speaker? And that's how you open your gas can, your gas latch, your gas door to access your gas. Have a great day.